BANMAL. BANMAL. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about BANMAL. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 364. BANMAL. BANMAL. It is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is ban, second syllable is mal. Pronounce it with me. BANMAL. BANMAL. The word BANMAL is used to call an informal speech. Again, BANMAL is informal speech. How do we write BANMAL in Hangul? It is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable ban, we need to write first a biap character, followed by an al character, followed by a nian character. And for the second syllable mal, we need to write first a miam character, followed by an al character, followed by a lial character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of those two syllables to form the Hangul of the word BANMAL. And with that, you've just learned BANMAL. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 354 to 363. But don't forget our word for today, word number 364, BANMAL, which means informal speech. The first word for our review is word number 363. It's michida, which means to go crazy. Next word is 강아지, which means puppy. Next word is 무지개, which means rainbow. Next word is 기분, which means feeling or mood. Next is 가장, which means most. Next word is so원, which means wish. Next word is 말해, which means say it or tell me. Next word for our review is 밤, which means night. Next word is 화장지, which means tissue paper. And the last word for our review is word number 354, 아무도, which means no one or nobody. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.